In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a project hub in Confluence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a central workspace where your team can manage project information, share updates, and collaborate efficiently. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the space where you want your project hub. If you don't already have a dedicated space, click Create and choose a suitable space for your project. Once you're in the space, click Create to add a new page. When the template gallery opens, search for Project Hub or Project. Select the template that best matches your workflow or choose a blank page if you want to build your hub from scratch. Give your project hub a clear name, then replace the sample content with your own project information. Add sections for project goals, timelines, milestones, meeting notes, team members, and important resources. You can also insert tables, status indicators, task lists, and links to related Confluence pages or Jira projects to keep everything connected. Customize the layout to make navigation simple. Add shortcuts to frequently used pages, organize content with headings, and include useful macros like page properties or recent updates if needed. When your project hub is ready, click Publish to make it available to your team. Share the page with your collaborators so everyone can access the latest project information from one central location. That's how to create a project hub in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.